All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Well, I am a student and I have recently completed my intermediate from Lahore board, and now I am preparing myself to go abroad for my future studies.
All right, that's good. Do you often read newspapers?
Yes, I like to read newspapers because it is a great way to learn and know about different things which are happening around us and in the world.
Okay. Which do you prefer, reading magazine or newspaper?
Well, I prefer to read newspapers, and because it is a good thing because it shows us they show us different news about international and sports and different things like politics.
Okay.
So I
What
prefer.
kind of newspapers or magazines do you read?
Well, I love to read politics and politics newspapers because
Political newspapers?
political newspapers, and on the other hand I also love to read sport newspapers because I am very keen to explore news about sports and different traditional
Okay.
religious
How
things.
old were you when you first started to read newspaper?
Well, I personally remember when I was 10 years old. I started newspapers to read, and so at that moment, it is a habit of mine
Since that
since
time,
then.
it has become my
Habit.
habit. Like that, okay. Do you think it is important to read the newspaper?
Yes, it is a good. It is very important, crucial to read newspapers because they tell us about different things which are happening and occurring in around us and all over the world, and they show us about international news as well.
All right. Do you care about the news that you read in the newspaper?
Yes, I care. Absolutely, I care about that news because I am very keen to explore new things and new techniques for the world, for new things which are made me very helpful and benefit.
Okay, in this last answer, you are having the issue of clarity. You
Yes,
don't understand. Even
yeah.
you don't know what you're speaking.
Yes,
Okay, so I mean, for example, do you? The question was, do you care about the news? Say, well, it depends. If that news is related to my own hometown or anyone who is related to me, then I care about the news. But if it is some sort of international news, I don't care very much. Yeah, if it is the news about any disaster or any human calamity, then
sir.
I of course care about it. But otherwise, I don't care.
Okay, okay.
Something like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Overall, it is good. You can speak good English. Just make yourself familiar with all these questions, and you are fine.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you.